Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday, we have the 2023 to 2025 Nissan Ariya. As Nissan's flagship electric crossover, the Ariya delivers smooth acceleration, advanced driver assistance, and a quiet, refined ride. To match that level of engineering, it needs braking components that perform consistently and silently, mile after mile. That's where DFC delivers the confidence EV drivers expect. Our DFC 5000 series brake pads and rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing responsive pedal feel, low noise, and stability under regenerative braking conditions. Each GeoSpec coated rotor offers long-lasting corrosion resistance, while OE-specific hardware ensures accurate fitment and reliable installation. For added convenience, all components are available in a complete all-in-one brake kit, helping distributors consolidate inventory and making service fast and efficient for installers. DFC is proud to be among the first aftermarket manufacturers to support the 2023 to 2025 Nissan Ariya with a comprehensive braking solution. Pads, rotors, and hardware all designed for precision, performance, and durability. At DFC, we continue to invest in innovation, expand our EV catalog, and support our partners with industry-leading service and fill rates. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.